Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, you know it's time. It's time to track my spending. Let's see what Mrs Vee did from August the 20th through the 26th. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. At the time of this video, my husband and I are consumer debt free, and I am saving portions of our spending money because I would like to retire at the age of 60. I turned 50 this year, so I have a 10-year plan. So part of that plan is budgeting my spending money for several reasons, so I can already kind of be on a budget when I do retire. But when I say budget, that does not mean I do not, that doesn't mean I don't buy things. I do not deprive myself. I just plan and save for whatever I like. On this channel, we like luxury items. You know, if it's something we want, we save for it and we go get it. So yeah, that's what we're doing over here on this channel. If you want to follow my journey, go ahead and tap that subscribe button at the bottom of the video and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So let's get into it. So when I started tracking my spending, I don't have the fancy planner and all that, but you know, I will have it in the future. But I went ahead and utilized something I already had, a little $1 calendar at the Dollar Tree. So I started tracking my spending. So let's go ahead and get started. So my categories that are in my cash envelope are spending. I give myself $100 a week for spending. Groceries, I do $50 a week for, it's just me and my husband. And I do $10 for personal, $10 for household. And I do $15 for eating out. And $15 for Dollar Tree. So those are my categories. I have like 6 categories, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. So on Friday the 20th, I went to the Dollar Tree, and as I talk about it, I color it in yellow, as you can see. I went to the Dollar Tree and spent $9. So I had a budget of $20 for Dollar Tree, but I was having a lot of that left over, so I decided to go ahead and lower that budget on Dollar Tree. See, that's another purpose of tracking your spending. That way you'll know where you can cut some costs. That's if you track it for a while and you see what your habit is. And so, yeah, on the 20th. Then on the 21st, I went to CVS and I spent $25. And they had a good sale on razors. I went in to get me some razors. I ended up spending like $25 on, it was just buy one, get one half off. I just went ahead and stocked up on razors. So razors would come out of personal. And, you know, I only had $10 for razor. So the other $15 came out of spending. So, yeah, so I'm good with razors probably for the rest of the year. That's how many I got. And I do coupon, so that's why I'm able to, you know, have a small amount in these certain categories like household and personal. And here we are, y'all. Sunday, we had a no spin. Yay! We like no spins over here, but, you know, I always tell you, I'm not going to deprive myself just to have a no spin or just to save some money. It's just that my habits or my priorities are changing. So that Monday, I went back to the Dollar Tree, spent $3.70. So we're going to go ahead and color this one, highlight this one, not color. Then that Tuesday, I went back to the beauty supply. I went to the beauty supply store. Y'all see my new hair? Y'all see it? Check it out on the screen. Went to the beauty supply store and picked up some items that totaled $19.17. Then I stopped by Guthrie's and got me a chicken box. Yeah. So Guthrie's, well, the beauty supply store money's going to come out of my spending. Guthrie's going to come out of my dining out. Remember, I gave myself $15 a week for dining out. So that was $11.25. So, yeah. And then that Wednesday, I finally went to the grocery store because, guys, you know I'm still shopping my pantry before I go to the grocery store. That's the challenge that I'm giving myself because it doesn't make sense to keep buying items and you already have things in your cabinets that you could cook. So I went and picked up some groceries at Winn-Dixie for $34. And this is my birthday month. And I also picked up a half a gallon thing of free ice cream. Yay! So yeah, I picked that up also. So that Thursday, which is today, I went back to Aldi's. Well, I went to Aldi's. My first time going to Aldi's this week. Talking about back to Aldi's. And I spent $7. And then I picked up another free birthday gift. I got a free pizza at this restaurant. But, you know, of course, if they give you something free, they want you to spend some money. So I had to at least buy a soda, which was $3. But I asked them, could I get a bottle of water instead of the soda, and that's what I did. And so that last $3 out of dining out, and you know, all this is out of groceries. So yeah, so that's what Miss V did this week. So let's go ahead and go into our wallet and see what we have left. So groceries, gave myself $50, and I spent $7 at Aldi's. So that takes it down to $43. And then I spent $34 at Winn-Dixie. And that takes it down to 43 minus 34 is $9. So I should have $9 left. Let's see what we have. Sometimes I'll be $1 or $2 off because, you know, I round up and down depending on what the cents are. So for groceries, should have $9, and I have 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm off $1. That's okay. So we'll put that over to the side. So since I'm going on vacation, as you can see this week, let me go ahead and color this in. I will not be tracking my spending for next week, but even when I'm on vacation and not tracking my spending, I still try to utilize the same habits. It's just that I don't stuff my cash envelopes. I use a debit card, and you know, I'm mindful of what I spend, because just because I'm on vacation does not mean that I just stop planning for my retirement. So if that makes sense. So I just use my debit card. So for this week, we're gonna go ahead and color that out. So back to what I was saying. So we did groceries, and so now we're gonna do spending. Remember, I give myself a $100 allowance for spending, and went to CVS. Remember, 15 of that $25 was spending. So if you got $100, you go down, subtract 15, that's $85. Then go over here to beauty supply. I'm just gonna do $19. So if you subtract $19 from 85, you get $66. So I should have $66 left in spending. And I have, put that over to the side, I'll tell you why I have it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have $64. I'm off $2. That's okay. So I have $64, and if you've been following my channel, last time I tracked my spending, I took $10 out of my spending and gave it to my granddaughter. Guess what I did, y'all? I went in her envelope and got my $10 back. Yes. Yeah, I'm trying to save $10,000 over here. So that's what my grandkids' envelopes are for anything that they need. Yeah, so I got my $10 back. So I actually have $74. So that's great. So we got, so yeah, Dollar Tree we had $15, and then on the 20th we spent $9. So 15 minus 9, that's $6. And we spent, we're gonna say $4 on the 23rd. So I should have $2 left. Let's see what we have in Dollar Tree. I have $1. So that's fine. So that's Dollar Tree. So the next category is personal. $10. Remember, we spent the $10 personal money on the 21st when I picked up all those razors. So that's $0. So we don't have anything in personal. Then last but not least is household. We didn't have to pick up any household items. So I had a budget of $10 for household. So I should have the $10 in here. Yes. So yeah, let's see how much money we have left. And let's go ahead and stuff our sinking funds, our priority sinking funds, because I would not be stuffing sinking funds or cash envelopes this week. So I'm going to go ahead and do it in this video. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this money together. And that's what I do with my rollover money. Whatever I'm focused on at that moment, I go ahead and use this money to stuff those envelopes. Alrighty, so we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, $93 out of the total for all 6 of those cash envelopes that I stuff every week is $200. So I saved almost half of my money. So that's great. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in 3 sinking funds. It's time for my lock appointment and get my hair locked. And My daughter's getting married September 11th, so I put some in that, in my wedding envelope. And we have our tags that are due for all 3 of our vehicles the end of September. So I'll put the remainder in car maintenance. It says car maintenance, but anything that pertains to the car goes in a car maintenance envelope. So we're going to do that when I come back. So hold on. Okay, so here we are. This is my high priority sinking funds binder, and I have it written down how much I'm going to give each category. Yeah. So locks is going to get $20. Go ahead and pull 20 out for locks. Wedding is going to get 30, 10, 20, 30. And then car will get the remainder, which would be 44, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Well, 43, not 44. So we're going to distribute this money and then we'll be finished. So let's go ahead and do this. Car maintenance has $65, and when I add the 43, $108. So that'll be half of the money for our tags, because we got older cars. So I think it's like $200 and some if I'm not mistaken, for all 3 vehicles. But we'll see at the end of the month. I am going to keep contributing until we get to the end of the month anyway. So that's 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 108. So that's great. So let me fill out the tracker since there's only 3 of them. All right, so I'm going to add 43. That was a deposit. And 108. So we have that one all set. Next we have wedding. It gets $30. Add $63, so that'll make that 93. I don't think I have to do for wet. Well, this could be for my manicure and pedicure, and plus we need to get my husband a nice outfit or suit or whatever, because he's gonna walk me down the aisle as mother of the bride. Yay. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3. $93. God, I love this cash envelope system. It's just wonderful. And the last thing is my lock appointment. Yay! So I am wearing hair on top of hair. Well, that's what everybody wear, hair on top of hair. Until my hair actually locks up. So I think I've shorted myself. 61.70. Oh, here we go. It's right. So I'm gonna add $20 to lock. My lock appointment is $80, so I have 50, 60, 70, 80. I got $1. So I'm gonna be $1 ahead for my next lock appointment. So I'm just gonna be ahead. So yeah. 50, 60, 70, 81. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm excited. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. I hope this video motivates you to track your spending. It really makes a difference. I can tell the difference in my spending since I started tracking my spending. I could tell the difference in my spending when I first started budgeting, and now when I'm tracking my spending. So it's all working out, guys. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.